Okay, so I just read about VM0, and it's this platform that automates workflows using natural language in sandbox environments.
Wait, so you're telling me we can describe what we want in plain English and it just runs it? That's wild.
Right, and the fact that it operates in isolated cloud sandboxes means it can run continuously, like 24/7.
Hold on, isn't that pretty significant for deployment? Imagine the efficiency gain.
Exactly, it's like having a personal assistant that can handle complex tasks without human oversight.
But doesn't that raise concerns about reliability? I mean, are these workflows really foolproof?
Oh, for sure, there's always the risk of errors if the natural language isn't clear enough.
That's true. I wonder how it handles ambiguities in language or context.
Good point, it seems like the system could misinterpret instructions if they're vague.
Right, and that could lead to some serious issues, especially in critical applications.
But then again, the persistence feature allows you to continue or fork sessions, which adds a safety net.
Yeah, that's a cool aspect. It's like version control for workflows. I can see its use in programming too.
Totally, and speaking of programming, it integrates with over 35,000 skills. That's a huge ecosystem.
Wow, that's incredible. It sounds like it could streamline so many processes across platforms like GitHub and Notion.
Right? It's like the ultimate connector for all these tools, but I wonder about its learning curve.
Yeah, since it claims zero abstraction, does that mean there's no new tech to learn?
I think so, but that could also mean it relies heavily on user familiarity with the existing tools.
That's an interesting take. But what if someone isn't tech savvy? Would they struggle?
Great question. It might be a barrier for less experienced users, even if it's user-friendly overall.
And then there's the observability aspect. Logging and metrics for every run sounds cool, but
Right, but could that become overwhelming? Too much data can be as bad as not enough.
exactly. If users can't sift through the metrics properly, it could lead to missed insights.
So on one hand, it offers a lot, but on the other, it could be complex for some users.
That's a good balance to point out. I'm curious how they plan to support users effectively.
Yeah, support will be crucial, but I think the potential for automation is truly exciting.
For sure, imagine all the mundane tasks it could handle, freeing up time for creative work.
Exactly, it's like having more brain space for innovative ideas rather than just routine tasks.
But as we automate more, could that lead to dependency on tech for problem solving?
That's a valid concern. It's like the double-edged sword of efficiency versus skill loss.
Wow, that's deep. We have to find that balance. Too much reliance could backfire.
Absolutely. So if we put all this together, VM0 could revolutionize how we think about workflows.
Yeah, but we also need to stay cautious about the implications of such powerful automation.
For sure, how can we leverage its potential while ensuring we don't lose our skills?
I guess it comes down to education and training on how to use these tools effectively.
Exactly, and ongoing support from the developers could really help bridge that gap.
You know, the whole conversation around automation is fascinating. It's evolving so rapidly.
Right? It's like we're on the brink of a new era in tech. What other impacts could this have?
Well, it could change job landscapes too. Some roles may become obsolete while new ones arise.
That's a big deal. We need to think about how to prepare for that shift.
Definitely. It's a wild ride we're on, and I'm excited to see where it leads.
Same here, and who would have thought a tool like VM0 would spark such deep discussions?
Right? It's a reminder of how interconnected tech and our daily lives really are.
Totally, so I wonder as we continue exploring these tools, what role should humans play?
Great question. Maybe it's about enhancing our creativity with tech rather than replacing it.
Absolutely, it's a collaboration. I can't wait to see how we can make the most of it.
Me too. This conversation has me thinking about all the possibilities ahead.
And that's what it's all about, right? Exploring, questioning, and discovering together.
Exactly. And with tools like VM0, that journey just might become even more fascinating.
Definitely, so what's next for us in this exploration of tech innovation?
I think we should dive into how other tools are integrating AI into everyday tasks.